Multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities. Part 8. Question number 71. Pick the odd one out. Option A page, option B paragraph, option C sentence, option D words. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is page. Question number 72. What is the capital of Nauru? Option A Kathmandu, option B Kabul, option C Thimphu, option D Yaren. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is Yaren. The capital of Nauru is Yaren. Question number 73. Which of the following Puranas is the earliest? Option A Matsya, option B Vishnu, option C Bhagavat, option D Markandeya. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is Matsya. Question number 74. National Doctors' Day in India is celebrated in the memory of which of the following leader? Option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy, option D none of the above. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy. National Doctors' Day in India is celebrated in the memory of Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy. Question number 75. Which date among the following is considered National Doctors' Day in India? Option A October 18, option B July 1st, option C June 20, option D August 1st. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is July 1st. July 1st is considered National Doctors' Day in India. Question number 76. National Anisette Day is observed on option A 2nd July, option B 6th July, option C 9th July, option D 5th July. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is 2nd July. Let us see the explanation. National Anisette Day is observed on 2nd July every year and is popular in Spain, Italy, Portugal and France. Question number 77. Which among the following was the first state to establish Panchayat Raj System in India? Option A Rajasthan, option B Option B Orissa, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Sikkim. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan was the first state to establish Panchayat Raj System in India. Question number 78. 4th July is celebrated as option A National Fried Calm Day, option B Independence Day USA, option C World UFO Day, option D none of the above. Let us count on start. Time up. The answer is Independence Day USA. 4th July is celebrated as Independence Day USA. Explanation. Independence Day USA is celebrated every year on 4th July. Question number 79. World Zoonoses Day is celebrated on option A 4th July, option B 5th July, option C 6th July, option D 8th July. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is 6th July. Let us see the explanation. World Zoonoses Day is observed every year on 6th July to emphasize and bring the problem awareness amongst people and teach them to take the right action. Question number 80. Which is storage media in computers? Option A printer, option B router, option C Wi-Fi, option D floppy disk. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is floppy disk. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.